is Justin of XC Cycling PH. Today we're gonna talk about my personal use bike, which is the Mountainpeak Ninja 2020. Mag-start po muna tayo sa frame. So I'm using a Mountainpeak Ninja 2020, 27.5, size is large, tapered head tube. Let's move on to the group set. I'm using a Shimano Alivio 2x9 group set. So, kasama nun na brake set is MT200 Shimano hubs. 2x yung crankset niya, 36x22 teeth, I think. Tapos 9-speed, 1136 yung cogs. And moving on to the cockpit set. So iba-iba po yung cockpit set ko. I'm using Mountainpeak handlebar. 100mm po yung haba niya. Quite long for a handlebar. Yung riding discipline po namin is XC with light trails. When I say light trails, I mean slightly loose muds or off-roads. Hindi naman siya yung super complex na trails tulad ng naka-full suspension na bike. So Mountainpeak Ninja is a hardtail bike. Hindi siya recommended for heavy trail use. Moving on to the wheel set. I'm using Heroic rims with Shimano center lock hubs. Double wall na rin yung Heroic rims ko. Stealth itsura niya. So hindi siya ganun ka loud tignan. Wired Kenda tire po siya. Parang hindi ko alam kung ano yung exact model nung tire eh. Pero pangkalsada talaga siya. So medyo madulas siya sa trails. Fork. I'm using a Cole fork. Air fork Cole 340 reverse arc. So kung meron man akong gustong baguhin dito sa bike ko, it's the wheels. From Kenda na hindi ganun ka-grippy to the ones with the good grips but still good on the road. Either Maxxis Prosmart o kaya Maxxis Icon. Meron din yung isa pa, Ardent. Maganda din yata siya for XC and light trail use. Yung mga taga-Pangasinan, yung mga napupunta lagi sa Imalog, alam nyo naman guys. Or Imalog or sa Pusurubio, steep roads and trails. So, I've been using this bike for 3 months now. Hindi pa naman ganun kalayo yung narating ko, pero makukonsider mo na rin siya as long ride. Pero hindi siya yung long ride na talagang wasakan ng tuhod. So, for the past 3 months, ang nasisirap niya is yung fork. May play naman yung fork niya pero ayaw niyang mag-lock. Ko alam kung paano ipapayos. Pina-check ko na po siya sa bike shop and I don't think they know how to fix it. Or maybe they can but they wanted me to risk bolts. Possible daw kasi mabilog kaya hindi ko na lang tinik yung risk kasi wala pa naman ako extra budget para makabili ng bagong fork. Guys, comment below kung alam niyo yung sira. Ano po, ayaw pong mag-lock ng fork ko eh. May play pero ayaw gumana ng lockout niya. So guys, before I end this video, comment, like, subscribe, and help us share our channel. So bago lang po kami nagpapagawa ng content, sana po magustuhan nyo. Commenting, give us some suggestions, pakikinggan po namin yan, nababasa po namin lahat ng comments nyo. Thank you so much.